How to fix your Acer camera is not working in Windows 11. So if your webcam is not working, I'll show you how to fix this. Now the first step is to open up the start menu on your computer, search for the word settings and click on this window. Click on privacy and security from the left hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down to the camera and click on this. Make sure camera access is turned on. Make sure let apps access your camera is also switched on. If you see the application you're trying to use the camera in, make sure it's switched on as well. Now finally, make sure let desktop apps access your camera is switched on, and then you can close out of this window. Now open up your start menu and search for device manager and click on this. Click on the drop down next to cameras and go in right click on your webcam. You can then press update driver, press browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click on your USB device and then go and press next. Once you've done this, you can check to see if your webcam's now working. Once you've done this, you can open up the start menu, search for the word camera, and you can open up this app. You can then check to see if your camera is now working. If you're still having an issue, there could be a privacy slider on the camera itself. So if you come over to your Acer laptop and you see a privacy slider like this, you may need to slide this to either the left or the right in order to reveal your webcam. Once you've done this, the webcam should now be working.